What's up YouTube? W211J here. Got another video. Today I'm going to be replacing my wipers. We're going to be putting on the Rain-X Silicone Advantage wipers. These are supposed to be great in all climates. They're made out of silicone instead of rubber. They're supposed to last really long. So let's get to it. Pretty much this is going to be a quick video because it's not really much to change these wipers. All right, let's get right into it. All right guys, before you start, you want to make sure that you switch your wipers from auto to off, just to ensure they don't turn on or anything when you're messing with them, and then you can go ahead and start. All right, so the next step, you just want to grab your wiper, flip it up just like so, and it slides right off. Very simple, super easy. There's a little pin there. It's not difficult at all. Just place it to the side. Grab your new wiper. Got the hole right there. Line it up. Slide it in. Lock it in place. Lay it down. All right, we're gonna move on to the next side. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Let me get the camera a little bit adjusted for you guys. Same thing. Sorry. Move it up. Flip it over, slide it off, it's off. Slide it on, put it in. Bingo, done. These guys were out of there. This thing is all messed up. But that's it. You could change your wipers in literally like fucking 2 minutes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. More videos coming soon. Like it. All right. Bye. This is W211J. Thank you.